Y'all know I wear crochet braids as well.
And wigs.
This is literally the only thing that was missing from my hair growth journey. God, boy, oh, wait. Do a little patch test. Boom, bam, bam. I didn't do a patch test. I just went 10 toes in. Hold a minute.
Leave him alone. Mind your business. Go into the house. Sit down somewhere.
Game changer. I'm hyped. This is what I've been waiting for. Hey, cause today is your girl Mary Kay coming to you with us like today.
Hey.
To you with us like today.
Let the church say subscribe.
I'm so excited to give y'all this right here because I have reasons that we're here. I know my little braids look lost and turned out, but they have been in a ponytail all day, so they don't know whether to drop down and get their eagle on or keep rising to the top. They don't know which way to come at it, so that's why it's like this. But this is important, y'all. This has something to do with what I'm bringing y'all today, okay? Now, as many of you hold a minute. Channel member, what's going on, y'all? What's going on? What's going on to my new channel members? What's up? What's up? How the heck are y'all? Listen, so as some of you may know, I'm growing my hair out. The method that I'm using to grow my hair out is plaits. Usually, they're mini plaits, like really small braids, and I can I can wear the wigs on top of it and and just kind of let it do what it does. Leave it alone. Okay. So that's the method that I'm using. You will notice that today they're just in big plaits. So that's an option too. The gist is to get them good and greasy like they just got baptized, get them nice and clean and braid them up and leave them alone.
Leave him alone. Mind your business. Go into the house. Sit down somewhere.
That's the whole gist of what's happening here with my growth, with the products that I'm using, okay? But, y'all, with that being said, y'all know I wear crochet braids as well.
And wigs.
So, the thing about it is this, especially when I do these big plaits like this, I don't want to wash my scalp every single time I work out, because I work out like 4 to 5 days a week. It's not always wash day, but I want to keep my scalp nice and clean, y'all. Okay. So, how about Esha girl, Janet collection? Janet them. Okay. They have these wipes. Oh my gosh. The timing could not be better with me being on this journey, and my hair is braided 99% of the time now. When I'm in between washes after my workouts, I can go through my parting area with these wipes. I'm so excited. Let me tell you about this because this is literally the only thing that was missing from my hair growth journey. A way to keep my scalp clean in between washes. Let me just show you, okay? Hold them. Sorry. Now, hold on, let me close it up nice and neat. Clearly, I've been all up in this bag, but let me present it to y'all so it can look brand new. Bam! They are a gem. These are hair and scalp wipes. Instant cooling refresh. That's the truth. If any of y'all, I don't mean to talk about this, but if any of y'all use honey pot, you know the cool, it's like that for your hair and scalp. I'm telling you.
If you know, you know.
And you in a whole peppermint patty commercial. Yes. That's how these feel on your skin. It's so refreshing and cooling, you guys. Oh my goodness. Another thing that I use these for is when I'm taking off my makeup along my hairline, I like to use these rather than my makeup wipes, just because these are formulated for hair. So I would just rather use this along my hairline.
Look at your neighbor say hairline.
Now, these come in packs of 20. They're great for braids, twists, locks, crochet braids, plaits, mini twists. This is perfect for people who work out a lot, perfect for people who's in the sun, you sweat, whatever, just regular buildup, dry skin, dandruff, scoop it off, throw it away, scoop it off, throw away. Oh, scoop it off, or throw away. Oh, don't flush it, but throw away. Scoop it off, and throw away. Don't flush it for real, okay? So yeah, you guys, this is perfect for any hair type. Do a little patch test, like on a piece of your hair, or a section of your scalp, rather, so that you know what the cooling sensation is going to feel like. And boom, bam, bam. I didn't do a patch test. I just went 10 toes in. I was just so hyped about having it, but don't do what I do. Do what I say, okay? Just do your little patch test. These are natural ingredients, you guys, but you want to test out the cooling sensation to see if it's something that you like. Again, same as with honey pot. Y'all, I had to go to the sensitive level of it because, honey, it was a lot. I was like, God. Boy, oh wait. So you just test out the cooling. I love the cooling sensation on my scalp. Oh, especially after I work out. This is so good for me. This is so good for me. I could not wait to show you guys this, but I wanted to use it for a while before I showed it to you. And yes. Okay. It uses natural ingredients that are harmless to the human body and does not irritate the scalp and skin. It is formulated with natural ingredients that are safe for the human body and gentle on the scalp and skin. That was 2 ways of saying the same thing. I guess they really wanted to hammer that in. Okay. It's safe. All right. Non-irritating formula. All right. Let me tell you about the main ingredients. Isn't there a group called The Main Ingredient? I believe there is. Is that the group, what do the main ingredients say? You getting a piece of me right now because when I have a question, I have to Google it right away.
So I know right away, man.
I know there's a group called Main Ingredient. Yeah, I was right. I was about to say, ain't that Cuba and them daddy? Uh-huh. Isn't Everybody Plays a Fool one of their songs? Hold on, let me check. Did they sing Everybody Plays a Fool? It's including Everybody Plays a Fool. Y'all don't listen. My music history knowledge is like that. I'm telling you, it's like that. I just have to check before I say things because y'all will be in the comments talking about, Hold a minute, y'all. Because, okay, let me just tell you what each ingredient does so that you can better see if it suits you. It contains menthol to soothe and cool the scalp, rosemary to increase blood flow and promote growth, green tea to detox your scalp, gotu kola to alleviate itchiness and inflammation, and salicylic acid to unclog pores. Y'all, come on now. How do you get better than that in between washes in deep conditions? How do you do that? Suitable for people who wear long-term protective styles, braids, locks, twists, and more. People who experience excess scalp oil, itchiness, or irritation, people who work out regularly, people with sensitive scalps. Products are available on EshaGirl.com, Amazon, and your local beauty supply store. I have been using these wipes and they are literally perfect for me and for my hair growth journey, and they're going to aid in the hair growth. So how do you lose with that? You don't. That was a rhetorical question. All right. Shall, I'm sitting here thinking I'm bringing y'all something. Y'all been buying these.
You didn't nobody pull my coattail to them.
I'm on here to just check and make sure that let me just see if they already put them on Amazon. Shit, they got all kind of reviews. Super useful product, works great. Hair scalp wipes, refreshing, great on itchy scalps, invigorating, pick me up. Yes, come on now. I told y'all. I ain't lying. I'm sitting here thinking I'm finna bring something to the table. I ain't brought a bit of the boy. Y'all already been buying these up. Ain't this about a blitz? But I still love y'all. Look, just go down my part. Ooh, I already feel it. Ooh, yeah. Now I've already done this, you guys. So I'm just doing this now because it feels good. Ooh.
It feels good. Yeah.
Because I just took a wig off. So I'm going to hit this hairline. Because I'm about to wash my face, all the makeup. But I want to get the hairline with these wipes. That right there is makeup. It's even cool on my fingertips. My fingertips is even good and cool. Yeah, this is nice. My cousins in Arizona, y'all know it be hot over there. The sip, y'all know it be hot down there in Mississippi. Go ahead and get y'all some of these. Ooh. When you get it, you will understand what I'm saying. Y'all get this. Links will be in the description box. If you have any questions, let me know. But this is a game changer for me. This is absolutely a game changer for me. Listen, if you have any questions, let me know. In between washes, it's nothing. After workouts, it's nothing. You've been doing spring cleaning and you got dust in your hair, swipe it, throw it away. Let me know what you think about them. But you're going to love the way your scalp feels. You are going to love the way your scalp feels. Game changer. I'm hyped. This is what I've been waiting for. This is going to further aid in my hair growth. Period. Finally. I'm happy about this, guys. All right. I'm done with it. Bye, y'all.